We want to come back.
Wow.
Oh, it's Mickey. The egg waffle. Going up, all right.
Holy cow, look there. Disneyland Hotel. Oh, this is amazing.
All right, we're going in. Room number? All right, I think we found our room. We're gonna do a sight unseen room tour for the girls.
Wow. Ooh. Beds. Chloe, we got the Snow White room. Yeah, I looked in the mirror and I saw the 7 doors. Look, there's Mickey Mouse on the blanket. Oh, yeah. There's fairies on the headpiece. Let's look at all 7 doors. Is that what it is?
So when we were watching some reviews of the hotel, it looks like it could be older, but it's actually really fancy so far. It does not feel old in person.
We got a balcony.
Good morning, Hong Kong Disneyland from the balcony. It is beautiful out here. Hear the birds. Ready for a day at the park. You girls excited?
Yeah, I can't wait to see what characters I have.
Oh, it's Mickey. Hey girls, look. Hello. Hi, Mickey.
This place is amazing. You can make your own onigiri with a Mickey face. And I got for one of you girls churn fun that I haven't had in the longest time.
Mickey's hand.
I should try first.
Some CMI. Oh. Waffles good?
Yeah, it tastes like waffles, but it's like plain.
Okay. And you get iconic Hong Kong staples. The egg waffle with actual Mickey Mouse as the puffs. Oh, it's Pluto!
Yes. Mini golf. Is the miniature golf still open?
We have our instructions how to play the game, a scorecard if you want to compete, 4 multicolored golf balls, if there's any bugs, bug spray, and a pen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Would you like to see it? Alright, here you go. Good job. Alright, thank you.
Bye. To the Queen's mini golf. Number 1.
Almost all in one. All right, who's ready to have a magical day?
Me.
So many pretty bird sounds on this walk to the park. I think it's about a 10-minute walk. I believe fully accessible. We'll see once we get there, but so far it's been all just flat sidewalk. We found the signs. Park Promenade. I think that's what we're going for. Getting on the shuttle bus to the hotel from the train. You got the ramp. All right, Chloe, go right in the center. Go on up. All right, Guy. From an accessibility standpoint, this hotel was fantastic and incredibly easy to navigate. The transportation, paths, and layout made a big difference for us, with only 2 minor exceptions. There's a small lip on the balcony door, but since we spent most of our time enjoying the amenities and the park, it wasn't an issue for us. The maze was also inaccessible, but we still managed to get a great view of it from above. Other than that, the elevators were conveniently located, the train was incredibly easy to use, and the bus lift was simple. Getting around the entire property felt smooth and stress-free. Beyond the layout, we truly loved our stay because of the people. The staff was super kind, thoughtful, and incredibly accommodating. They really went out of their way to make sure we were taken extra good care of throughout our entire visit. We highly recommend this spa for anyone with accessibility needs, but honestly, it's a great choice for any family looking for a seamless experience. Be sure to check out our next video as we roll deeper into accessibility at the Hong Kong Disneyland theme park.
Wow. We should do it right now.
Well, where's yours come from?
Mommy, I like it.
When did you expire your merch points?
Yep.
Disneyland Hotel. Hotel's been pretty comfortable so far. We enjoy it. You like the hotel?
Yeah.